It's. Did you know Yoda has a last name?
Who?
Lehihu.
Let's just get
Yoda Lehihu.
Let's go to the tier list, okay?
Alright.
So this time we're ranking on grinding.
Barrier D. Just put it at D.
Why? Maybe it's even up.
D.
Okay.
Blade. C.
Nah, I think it's a B.
C.
The rework.
Oh yeah. Blizzard.
I'm putting that in A.
Alright. Bomb. C.
What do you mean?
It's self-destruct.
That's the only good move for grinding. I'm putting this in D.
Fine. Buddha. S.
But it got nerfed, so I'm gonna have...
No, it didn't get nerfed.
Yes, it did.
Put it in S. S. Jaden. S. Jaden. Put it in S.
I'm putting it in B.
Put it in... No, we use it A. No, don't move it back.
No,
now move it down.
it got nerfed.
How?
First of all, it pretty much lost its range.
No, because that was a glitch.
No, it wasn't.
Dude, the developers did not mean to have that.
Control.
I'm done. You know what?
No.
If you want to be with me, then there's only one thing to do. Kill you.
Okay, fine. I'll put it back in this.
Thank you.
This ain't the truth, Jeremy. Guys, he's holding me at gunpoint.
Put it S. I mean C. Put it.
The rework. But still.
It hasn't even gotten its rework.
B. Diamond. B. No.
Yeah, so Control hasn't even gotten their rework yet.
Look where I put diamond.
Put it back in.
No, wait. No, the rework skin. Now, dough. Now, for PvP, this would go in S. But since it's grinding, its moves aren't really grindy, so I'll,
B.
I told you guys, he's holding me at gunpoint.
B.
So we got Falcon. We got Falcon. This goes in C.
Put it in D.
No.
Put it in D. Next up, Dragon. Which one is it?
We're not doing Dragon until last.
No.
Yes. Nah, this goes in A. We're having a lot of A's. Gravity.
Ooh, Gravity. C.
Ice. I'd say it's pretty good. I'll put it in A. Kitsune.
Oh, that's a good one.
I use Kitsune. And for my IC, it's pretty good for grass. I'll put it in this. Leopard.
Let's put that in A. That's wild. Bro's giving the mythicals pity.
No.
Bro's giving the mythicals pity.
No, I'm not.
That's actually wild. Love. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me have some.
Fine.
Mammoth. No gas. That's what's next. Beep, 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 beep. I've actually never really seen gas in action.
You've never seen what? Nah.
I've seen nothing in action.
It's S. What I've seen, it's S.
Don't change my rating.
Mammoth.
Bro's giving the mythicals pity points. That's actually insane. He's giving the mythicals pity points.
No, I'm not. I'm giving them accurate points.
No, you're not. You're giving them pity points.
Phoenix is an A. Portal, C. Quake.
You know where to put that. A, Rocket It's a C, in my opinion. I've used this. It's a C.
Rocket?
Yes, C. C. Did you just change Quate?
Rubber. Jerry does not like this fruit.
It's trash.
It's good.
It's trash.
You just haven't got the transformation yet, like more normal people.
It's trash.
No, it's not. I'm putting this in B.
Don't you dare put that in B. How dare you put that in B?
Rumble. This is pretty good. I'm gonna
Trash.
put A. Sand.
Yeah.
B. Shadow. Shadow. This is hard. I'm just gonna put it in A. We have a lot of A's. Smoke. That's
A.
C.
Hmm.
Sound.
Trash.
A. Spider. B. Spin.
A. Put that in C. Put C in.
Bye.
Put spin in C. Spirit. B. First, don't give the mysticals pity points.
I'm not. Spring.
Kitsune, leopard, mammoth, and gas.
Hey, I get it.
Pity points.
They're not pretty. They're accurate.
You like them better than the other fruits.
They're accurate.
They're pity points. No accurate stuff in this.
All right, so I put T-Rex in S and Venom in A. Yeti is good. Now we have the two best fruits.
Put them in A, S. You can. They're so easy for killing them. Jaden.
No, listen. Western is better.
Dude,
Wait,
we're talking about grinding here.
Yes, a Western is better.
For grinding.
Mhm.
Both of them you can one-shot people! Have you seen the damage?
I think...
On both of them? You know what? No, let's go back up.
No.
Yes.
No, this is mine.
No, fine, no. Fine. Fine. You want? Wait.
What are you doing? You can't put them back down.
Wait. Let's just line them up to however we can. Right. You do this, I do this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this is what?
Mm-hmm.
Is this the dragon with wings?
No.
So this is dragons without wings.
Mm-hmm.
And now down the dragon with wings. Thank you.
All right, we're done here.
Yes, finally.
Bye, guys.
We can agree on something.
Goodbye.
Now pause the video. Stop it.
Bye.